What is going on there, everybody? I got a bunch of ash on the bench right here because we're making two beds. They're going to look something like this, and the plan here is I got two big wide boards here that I think once I mill everything up will leave me with 1 inch. That'll be the rails and the legs, and then I got a whole bunch of pieces to choose from on the side over here that will be my 3/4 inch cross members for the header and footer. This kind of stuff right here, and this kind of stuff right here. This one actually, I think we can go 3/4 as well, so I'll need to take that into account in my plans, but let's get to hacking this up. Alrighty, all that ash cut up right now. We got everything that needs to be 1 inch on this side, everything that needs to be 3/4 inch on this side, and now we'll go over here to the milling section, joint our planer, everything up to the dimensions that we need, and then we'll figure out what to do from there. We need to take this curve and put it on this piece of wood. So what I've done here is cut a thin piece of MDF, clamped it in 3 spots with my mark of the depth that we want. I'm going to cut this one on the bandsaw, we'll sand it up, and then we'll use this one to transfer over to the other 4. This is the one we sanded down. This is our good one that we're going to be using as our template. And we're going to use a little bit of blue painter's tape and CA glue. The blue tape is so that we don't damage the wood, and the CA glue is quick and easy, and don't have to use a bunch of double-sided sticky tape, which can be a pain in the neck. Quick shot of activator. Set this on. Hold it down for a second, and you have yourself a template. Ready to go. Alrighty, we got everything set out here in the spray booth, which is just the barn. Got the rails on bolts leaning against you can see them wiggling right here, leaning against the sawhorses, and the head and footboards as well. As usual, we're all sanded up and everything. Everything's looking primo. As usual, we're going to be using general finishes. We're going to do a coat of sanding sealer and then probably 3 coats of clear poly. Sanding sealer with the Fuji spray and a 1.3mm tip. And I like to do the Enduro Clear, which is this one, with the 1mm tip. Let's do it.
Really, they don't do animal and they buy all packaged snacks for the consumptions and stuff. That has got to be costly.
Alrighty guys, there you go. The bed is done. If you wanted to build one like this, there is a link down in the description below to DIYtyler.com where you can find a downloadable PDF set of plans for this bed and actually for that dresser as well. But turned out fantastic. Love working with ash. It's such an easy wood to work with, but plenty hard, and beautiful results right there with the general finish on there as well. Kids love it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hammer that thumbs up button as it helps us out and gets this video in front of more eyes. I'm DIY Tyler, and you guys have a good one.